Bro, let me tell you something honestly. Most people will never build an aesthetic calisthenics body. Not because it's impossible, but because they quit too early. They do push-ups for 1 week. Try one impossible move from TikTok. Fail once, then disappear. Meanwhile, the guys with insane calisthenics physiques, wide backs, lean abs, crazy control, veins, strength, those guys mastered the basics for years. And in this video, I'm going to explain everything. What exercises to do, what diet to follow, how many representatives, how to build muscle, how to get lean, how to stay consistent, step by step. So if you truly want that athletic superhero type body, watch this till the end. Because one mistake can slow your progress for months. First, understand this. A calisthenics body is different from a bodybuilding body. Bodybuilding focuses more on maximum muscle size. Calisthenics focuses on strength, control, mobility, aesthetics, and athleticism. That's why calisthenics physiques look lean, wide, shredded, and aesthetic. Most calisthenics athletes don't even look extremely huge, but they still look insanely impressive. Why? Because they have low body fat, strong shoulders, wide lats, good posture, and visible abs. That combination creates the aesthetic look. Now listen carefully. This is where most beginners destroy their progress. Mistake number 1. Trying advanced moves too early. Bro, you do not need front levers and planches on day 1. Master basics first. Push-ups, pull-ups, dips, squats. These exercises build the foundation. Without basics, advanced skills are useless. Mistake number 2. Training randomly. 1 day full body. Next day abs only. Then nothing for 4 days. Consistency matters more than intensity. Mistake number 3. Ignoring diet. You cannot outtrain bad nutrition. Your body needs fuel. Now let's talk about the perfect calisthenics workout plan. If you're beginner to intermediate, this is one of the best splits. Day 1, push-ups, dips, pike push-ups, diamond push-ups. Day 2, pull-ups, chin-ups, Australian rows. Day 3, legs plus core, squats, lunges, calf raises, hanging leg raises, planks. Repeat this every week consistently. Now listen carefully. The most important exercise in calisthenics is pull-ups. Pull-ups build back width, biceps, grip strength, and the V-taper look. If you can't do pull-ups yet, start with assisted pull-ups, resistance bands, and negative representatives. And don't feel embarrassed. Everybody starts weak. Now for push-ups. Stop rushing representatives. Slow controlled representatives build more muscle. Quality is always better than quantity. And for abs, you do not need 1,000 crunches. Focus on hanging leg raises, knee raises, planks, and reverse crunches. Train abs like any other muscle. Now let's talk about muscle growth. A lot of people think calisthenics can't build muscle. That's completely false. You absolutely can build an insane physique. The secret is progressive overload. Your body grows when exercises become harder over time. Example: regular push-up decline push-up weighted push-up. Regular pull-up explosive pull-up weighted pull-up. You must challenge the muscles continuously. Another important thing: train close to failure. That means stopping when you only have 1 or 2 representatives left. This increases muscle growth massively. Now let's talk about diet. Because honestly, without good nutrition, your physique will never look aesthetic. Protein is everything. Your muscles need protein to recover and grow. Best foods: eggs, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, milk, rice, oats, peanut butter, fruits, and potatoes. Now here's the important part. If you're skinny, eat more calories. If you're overweight, eat slightly fewer calories. Simple. And stop eating junk food every single day. One burger won't destroy your progress, but bad habits every day will. Also drink enough water. Hydration affects strength, recovery, performance, and energy. Now let's talk about abs. Everybody wants visible abs, but abs are made in the kitchen. Low body fat reveals abs. That means better diet, consistency, and patience. Not starvation. And don't chase fast fat loss. Slow transformation is better because fast weight loss usually destroys muscle too. Your goal should be lean and strong, not skinny. Now another underrated thing. Recovery. Muscles don't grow during workouts. They grow while recovering, especially during sleep. If you sleep 4 or 5 hours daily, your recovery becomes terrible. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep, proper rest days, and enough water. And don't train injured. Resting smart is also part of training. Now the biggest truth. Most people quit before results appear. The first few months are hard. You'll feel weak. Progress will feel slow. Some days motivation disappears. Go anyway. Because discipline builds calisthenics bodies, not motivation. The guys with insane physiques? They kept training even on bad days. That's the real secret. So if you truly want an aesthetic calisthenics body, remember this. Master the basics. Train consistently. Eat enough protein. Sleep properly. Stay patient. Your body will not change overnight. But if you stay locked in for 1 year, your entire physique can transform. One day you'll look in the mirror and realize you became stronger, leaner, and more confident than ever before. This is Fitzenly, and your transformation starts now.